If you have a list in Excel, you can use the filter option. A list in Excel means that each column has a column heading, such as first name, last name, region, department, etc. Each column has a column heading and each row is considered a record. You can have a blank cell, for instance I could delete this value, but you cannot have a blank row. If I have a blank row, Excel will consider the information above the blank row to be one list and the information below the blank row to be a second and separate list. So you cannot have a blank row. To filter this particular list, I'm going to go to the Data tab in the ribbon. In the Sort and Filter group, I'm going to click the Filter button. The Filter button turns the filter on, indicated by these down triangles on the column heading, but also turns the filter off. You can also press the key combination Ctrl-Shift-L to turn the filter on and Ctrl-Shift-L to turn the filter off. Ctrl-Shift-L is short for a list, so I'm going to turn the filter on by pressing Ctrl-Shift-L. If I'd like to filter out records that come from a certain region, I'll hit the down triangle on the region column heading. I'll untick Select All and I'll choose a region such as Auckland. And when I click OK, I'm only seeing the Auckland records. The down triangle for region now has an extra funnel symbol and it's telling me that the records are equal to Auckland. The row numbering has gone blue, which means certain records don't meet the criteria. They don't come from the region Auckland, and so they've been hidden. At the very bottom left of my status bar, I can see 18 out of 270 records come from the region Auckland. If I wish to choose a different region, I'll hit the down triangle on region, I'll untick Auckland, and I'll tick Rotorua. And if I want to choose more than one, I'll also tick Taupo and Tauranga, because I want these three regions. When I click OK, I can see I have those three regions. The bottom left of my screen is saying 126 out of 270 records are from the Rotorua, Taupo and Tauranga region. And also my row numbering is blue, indicating that certain rows are hidden because they're not from those three regions. If I wish to clear my filter, on the Data tab in the ribbon is a Clear button. If I click this button, it quickly clears the filter and returns all the records, all 270 of them. One of the things you may consider doing is adding the filter button to your Quick Access toolbar. If I right click the filter button, I can then left click Add to Quick Access toolbar, and now I have a button to quickly filter a list whenever I need to. I might also right click the Clear button and add that to my Quick Access toolbar, and that also appears in my toolbar. This way I can stay on the Home tab in the ribbon without having to go to Data to perform a filter or to clear a filter. If I wish to turn the filter off, I'll simply hit the button Filter on my Quick Access toolbar and turn the filter off.